Again, biggest, most important thing, make sure you understand what the radical is. All right, the radical is the radical itself and everything under it. That needs to be by itself. It is. There's nothing in front of it. There's nothing after it, which means that I can think of this as, not think of it as, it is the same thing as 6x to the 1/3, because it's the third root, was negative 3. All right, so then I've got 3 over 1, 3 over 1. All right, that's going to give me a 1 right here. So it's going to give me 6 minus x. All I really did was get rid of the radical. All right, I got rid of the radical, which is what I want to do because I can't solve it if the radical's still there. All right, negative 3 to the 3 over 1. Make sure you're putting your negative things in parentheses when you're squaring them, raising them to any power. Okay, because when it's an even power, they're going to come out to be not whole numbers. They're going to come out to be positive numbers. And if you don't put them in parentheses, it's not going to work. All right, I got lots of negatives here, so I've got to pay close attention to what I'm doing. Minus x equals minus 33 divided by minus x, not minus x, divided by minus 1. And I get x equals 33. Now, there was a million negatives in there. All right, whenever I see negatives involved in this problem, there was a negative after the equals. I cubed a negative. I had more negatives. That's the most likely scenario for this thing not to work. All right, so I'm going to get this. I'm going to check it. So I'm going to go to my calculator. I'm going to bring up, that's the wrong button, the math button to get my number 5 there and do third root of 6 minus 30. Whoops. You got to pay attention to where all this stuff is happening. So third root of 6 minus 33. Negative 3. Okay, so it gave me negative 3 equals negative 3. It checked. So that means my answer is okay. All right, it's not guaranteed that your answer is not going to work if you have negatives involved, but that's what I'm personally looking for when I'm doing this stuff. It's just kind of an easy way to see if it might not work.